Hi, today we're taking a look at Edson's PedPox, which is short for pedestal pockets. And PedPox are a great, convenient, secure way to keep some essential items right with you at hand, right at the helm station, right at the pedestal. Things like a VHF and a multi-tool and your phone and a piece of lashing string, sunblock, maybe a marker. Instead of being loose in a sheet bag where they get wet and fly out when you tack, or in a combing box where they're guaranteed to get wet, or loose on the cockpit floor, which is also not so great. Very convenient, very easy to install, very easy to remove for security if you want to leave the boat on the mooring or at the dock, or if it starts raining. Okay, when you get your PedPox, the bag comes with the PedPox itself, which is available in either blue or black, and it comes with an instruction sheet and a long zip tie, and also a self-adhesive hook clip that you can install on your pedestal if your pedestal does not have the acorn nut, which is the backer nut for the engine control cables. You just wrap it around the pedestal and secure the rope loop over the hook or the acorn nut, and you can use the zip tie for more security to help that keep in, and that's all there is. Couldn't be easier. Let's have a look at putting it on. Okay, so we've used the self-adhesive hook on this pedestal because it doesn't have the engine control cables installed, so it doesn't have the acorn nut. And we recommend installing your gear in the PedPox so that the pockets take the right shape that you'll want them to be in during install. And to start, simply thread it through, loop the hook with the rope, and secure the Velcro. Now, if we want a little extra security, we can use the zip tie that's included and put it under the acorn nut or self-adhesive hook and over top of the rope loop and secure that. And that just gives it a little extra security. Whether you choose to use that or not is up to you, but there you go. You have all of your essentials right at hand, right at the helm, out of the way, secure, but right where you need them.